I know you're busy, I'm busy, so it's very likely for us to grab a quick breakfast, a quick lunch, or a quick snack, and that is usually a shake. So today we're going to be doing another food review. It's going to be the Boost Glucose Control Shakes. Hi everyone, my name is James Marin. I'm a holistic registered dietitian, environmental nutritionist, author, speaker, and diabetes expert. Thanks so much for joining us today. We're doing another food review on the Boost Glucose Control Shakes, so let's get right into it. Here we are on the Boost website, Boost Glucose Control to be more specific. There's a lot of reading, guys. I'm sorry, I'm going to read this all just to see what they say. So here we are, Boost Glucose Control. Boost Glucose Control Drink is a balanced nutritional drink specifically formulated for people with diabetes. It provides a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fat, which are designed to help manage blood glucose levels as part of a balanced diet. And with just one carb choice per 8 flow ounces bottle compared to 2 carb choices per 8 flow ounce bottle of Glucerna Advanced Shake, Boost Glucose Control is a great choice if you're managing your carb intake. When your busy schedule makes nutritious eating difficult, Boost Glucose Control Drink can be used as a convenient mini meal or snack. It provides balanced nutrition with 190 calories, 16 grams of protein to help manage hunger. Boost Glucose Control Drink comes in 3 tasty flavors: rich chocolate, very vanilla, creamy strawberry, each backed by our money back great taste guarantee. Okay. And a little asterisk. Remember, guys, you got to be careful with these. It just gives you, I guess, information on the money back guarantee. Okay. Key benefits of the drink. So again, they just go into calories, protein, low carbohydrates, gives you 25 essential vitamins and minerals, calcium, vitamin D, fiber, low in saturated fat, gluten-free. It's suitable for lactose intolerance. So let's look at the nutrition information. So one bottle, 190 calories. Yeah, it does have a little saturated fat. And remember, guys, the main thing is looking at the ingredients. I mean, decent fiber, only 4 grams of sugar, 16 grams of protein, which is a lot of protein. So let's look at the ingredients. The first ingredient, and remember, the first ingredient's what's most, second ingredient, second most, third ingredient, third most, and so on and so forth. So with this, you're mainly getting water. So what's most in this drink is water. The second most is milk protein concentrate. And to be very clear, there have been a lot of epidemiological studies and different studies in peer-reviewed journals where milk protein is a low-quality protein. Milk protein has also been associated with increased cancer risk. Milk protein has also been associated with casein, which some believe is addictive and has addictive properties. So milk protein concentrate is the second ingredient. Tapioca dextrin, vegetable oils, so again, processed oils, less than 2% of fructose, cocoa processed with alkali, soy protein isolate, sodium caseinate, calcium caseinate, inulin. This is where the fiber is coming from, is an inulin, so it's just like an added processed fiber. You have an amino acid here, partially hydrolyzed guar gum, okay, probably like a thickener, calcium phosphate, citric acid, sodium ascorbate, salt, soy lecithin, cellulose gel and gum, alpha tocopherol acetate, choline bitartrate, tartrate, magnesium phosphate, ascorbic acid, sucralose. Again, if familiar with sucralose, artificial sweetener. Everything else I was saying is basically gums to add thickness, soy lecithin to be an emulsifier. Everything else is more like alpha tocopherol acetate, that'll be to preserve. I'm not sure, choline bitartrate, I'm not too sure about that. Again, carrageenan, which is another thickener. Guys, so far, I mean, there's still more, which is getting more into, I guess, just the added vitamins and minerals. But so far what I've said, do you have any of these ingredients in your cupboard at home? All of you are going to answer no. Like, no one has partially hydrolyzed guar gum in their refrigerator at home. So my point to you, something they can get away with saying is a balanced nutritional drink, right? They say that, like part of a balanced diet. Okay, makes nutritious eating, so busy schedule makes nutritious eating difficult, it provides balanced nutrition, right? So is anything in this ingredients list balanced nutrition? So it's like we've concocted a bunch of these, chemicals and just highly processed and refined ingredients and throw them together to give macros, right? To give good macro stats, right? Where you say, oh, well, it's low saturated fat, it's high in protein, it's lower in sugar, and it has fiber. So this concoction, this science experiment goes together to give you good macro stats. But again, as we know from facts, where nutrition facts are inaccurate, nutrition facts are subjective to depending on your health, that this really doesn't mean much. What matters are the ingredients. And when you're getting, first of all, you're paying for mostly water, and then low quality protein, and then vegetable oil, and then artificial sweeteners and thickening agents, and that's what you're paying for, then you have to ask yourself, what nutrition am I getting from here? And I'm not really even going too deep to talk about genetically modified ingredients. And then there's definitely I could say with decent certainty that there are pesticide residues. I could say that most of these vitamins and minerals are coming from a petroleum-based processing method. So yeah, you have to ask yourself, with these ingredients, what nutrition are you actually getting? Okay, the most nutrition is going to come from whole food ingredients. So I hope you see that. And yeah, don't be confused. I hope these videos help you, because again, it says glucose control. There's nothing that's going to help you control your glucose in here. Okay, this is not what glucose control is about. I hope you learned something. Another great review. I really went in depth and looked at the front, the back, the side to side, and hopefully this answered some of your questions on whether or not Boost glucose control shakes are an ideal shake for you, are going to help with your diabetes, if it's going to make you healthier, if it's going to provide you nutrition. So hopefully those questions were answered for you. You need to learn more. You want to learn more, and you have to learn more in order to beat your diabetes, in order to reverse your diabetes, in order to prevent more diabetes complications. Click the link below in the description. Learn more about what foods to eat, what foods to avoid, and what foods are going to help beat your diabetes and prevent your diabetes from turning into some type of, big complicated mess full of possible surgeries and dialysis and more medication, which is definitely something we do not want. So if you enjoyed this video, share it with friends and family, give us a thumbs up, comment below with what foods you have questions about, what foods we want myself to review. I would gladly do that for you. And as always, have a wonderful day.